Hello, Namaste. Welcome to That Awkward Yogi. This is day 15 of 30 Days Yoga Challenge. It's 10 am. I woke up late. So I shifted the practice indoor. The space is little limited and I won't have much area to move, but I still try what I can do with the situation and be present and keep up with the pace we have created together. Let's begin. So today's session is done. I have improvised today. It was around 7 minutes yoga session. Most of the poses are sitting poses. As I've already said, there was not much room to move. There was not much space to record it properly, but I'm still proud of myself that I didn't let the situation overwhelm me and still continue with the practice. Thank you for joining in. See you tomorrow. Namaste.